Hi you guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and with me today I have Sydney, and we are going to be teaching you how to do step one of a standing tuck, which is the set.
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
The first step to a nice, strong, high set is a fast arm swing. So Sydney's going to demonstrate a drill that I like to use where she'll start on her knees. So she'll sit on her heels and then do a nice, strong swing, pulling her feet through. The goal is to get arms all the way by ears. Do it one more time to create a lift so she's able to pull her feet through to the floor. The next step for an aggressive set is a quick toe drive. So Sydney's gonna put an arm swing with the toe drive together, but she's not gonna bend her legs. So we're really gonna focus on just that quick push through the toes. Yes, trying to get as high as you can, feeling that lift with that push. Do it one more time. That was a little bend, face to the side, and really just focus on toes, straight legs. There you go, good. The last piece is putting all of that together with a nice, quick, aggressive jump where your arms come all the way by your ears, you bend, push all the way through your toes, get a nice, high, quick set. Yes, beautiful. One more time, facing the side. Nice and tight core. That was good. A huge thank you to Sydney for helping out with this tutorial, and thank you guys for hanging out. Remember, this is just step one of the back tuck series, so be sure to check out step 2, which is the rotation, and step 3, which is the landing, and you'll find those in the description for this video. Bye guys.